Aloha from the Noeau Center for Writing, Math, and Academic Success at the University of Hawaii, West Oahu. Welcome to our workshop series on APA formatting and citation. This video serves as an introduction, reviewing the material that's covered in each part and providing background information about APA. Here's a series overview. Part 1 focuses on the references page, the list of sources used in your writing. Part 2 focuses on in-text citations, which is how to refer to sources within the body of your work. Part 3 focuses on formatting and covers the title page, abstract, and level headings. Are you watching these videos for course credit? Each video contains a brief quiz. If you complete the required sections, you will receive a copy of your submission, which you can share with your instructor as proof of completion. If you stumbled across these videos on your own, feel free to skip the quizzes. You can treat these videos as an a la carte menu and view only the sections that you are interested in. Next, let's talk a bit about what APA is. You may have heard APA referenced before, but what exactly is it? APA stands for the American Psychological Association. When we talk about APA citation and formatting, we are talking about the guidelines provided in the publication manual of the American Psychological Association. This is a book that offers guidelines on many aspects of formatting writing. When we say APA in this workshop, we are referring to the citation and formatting guidelines put forth in this publication manual. APA is one of the most frequently used styles and is common in many disciplines, including the social sciences, business, public administration, education, information technology, cybersecurity, and nursing. There are many different types of publication manuals. For example, MLA style is taught in many high school English classes. You might be wondering why there are so many different styles and why you're being asked to use APA style. It's valuable to learn the style that is used in your major, as you will likely need it in the future. Instructors may also ask you to use the style of their field because they're familiar with it and they want you to learn it as part of learning about the field. This workshop series focuses on the 7th edition of APA, primarily the expectations for student writing. Throughout the workshop, we will refer to a sample paper, which you can find on the Noeau Center website if you would like to follow along or have a reference in front of you. That covers everything in our introduction, so you're ready to begin.